exciting, nervous but excited.
Couple more weeks, na?
Yeah.
And the best thing about the movie, what we like is, it is based on a situation where Gen Zs are stuck. That is completely on the phones. So, do you think that how different is this movie from any other rom-com movies that what we see? So, how different is this movie from all as per your
I mean, I think it's quite relevant to today. I feel like rom-coms maybe have slowed down a bit in the recent years. We haven't seen so many of them, so I think it's nice and refreshing to have one specifically for our generation. Social media has become so huge and relevant recently, and I think this kind of highlights the issues that we see with the rise of technology and things like that.
I think love is a very I think it transcends time, and I really like love stories. I love it.
Yeah, I mean,
Romantic
Bollywood's
films.
foundation is
Yeah.
love stories.
So yeah, I think this is a new, fresh way of telling a story that is timeless.
when the trailer got out, so one thing what I went to the comment section was this movie is releasing on 7th of February, which is in a Valentine week. So everybody, all the fans out there, they really ask that you just ask this question to the star cast that do you follow the Valentine week?
Valentine week.
Weak.
All sort of things that happens, kiss day, chocolate day, teddy day.
Oh, I didn't know that was a thing.
It is a thing.
It is a thing.
When I was younger,
Oh, I know there's Rose Day, right?
So there
Oh,
are all it starts
okay.
from 7th of Feb right until 21st of Feb. So there are different days that the couples follow. So one day is a rose day, there's a teddy day, there's a chocolate day, there's a kiss day, there's a hug day, and obviously Valentine's Day, and at the end it is a breakup day. Right?
Oh, why? That's so mean. Why would they do that?
yeah, there was a time when I was younger.
No, I had no idea this existed. This is like news to me.
कॉलेज में होता था ना हम लोग का chocolate day.
Rose Day I heard, but not this.
You have followed it, right?
Back in the days.
Any special memory of that week, you आपने complete follow किया, and at the end, breakup day भी celebrate किया.
नहीं, वो तो खैर इतना completely नहीं follow किया हम लोगों ने. When I was in college, we got a lot less attention there. How it is romanticized. Yeah.
And speaking about today's Gen Z crowd, so there are a lot of, the way of love has changed towards the Gen Z crowd. So previously, back in the days, तो एक ही होता था love at first sight. And nowadays, things have changed. The situationship, this texting, ghosting, breadcrumbing. So do you think love has got more complicated in our era, in the Gen Z era?
I don't think so, but
Yeah, no, I mean, I do feel like maybe a little bit, but like you've said before, I feel like the feeling is still the same. Maybe there's these new terms and things that have been added that does complicate it a little bit, but I feel like the feeling of love is probably the same.
yeah, I think भाषा बदली है. Terminologies have changed. But I don't think it's otherwise. I don't think it's
Did ever any of your parents took your phone and जब actually the movie में दिखाया गया phone word exchange जब parents phone check कर रहे हैं कि what my kid is doing, so अंदर से hesitation होती है sweater और कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
मेरे साथ तो कभी नहीं.
No, no.
My parents aren't very into that. In fact, my mother would not even like take my phone. It's never happened.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever been in this situation. But I don't know, is it normal for a parent to go through their child's phone? I don't think that's normal.
What if one thing that the movie is showing is love, and from parents' point of view and from a Gen Z's point of view. So nowadays the parents are we are so friendly to our parents, especially the Gen Z crowd, that we can talk to them about the love and the relationship and discuss about the partners. So did you ever discuss you took a relationship advice or love advice that your parents gave to you?
Yeah, lots of times. I
Which is that one advice that you stuck your mind and you keep this forever your life?
No, Dad. I mean, Dad always says, look, I will always give you the most sensible learning aspect. According to me, this thing.
Any such specific
Because
advice
I have
that-
always only followed my. I have done the most. What would normally be construed as not. You got married very young. But I've always followed my heart and I always.
So just like the dialogue of the movie Mr. Meeting has happened to you in any situation या कुछ चीजें होती हैं ये मेरे हिसाब से मेरे घर में ये चीज मेरे हिसाब से होगी तो is there something जो आपके घर में आपके हिसाब से होती है
We are all very actually relaxed.
Yeah, I think now, I mean, we've all grown up also, so I guess it's different in a house when you're younger versus when you grow up. Now I think we all kind of have our own lives, so we all have our own separate things going on.
I would like to ask a question. This is your debut movie. So why you choose this rom-com genre for your debut and not any other?
It's my second movie, but I think in general I gravitate towards watching rom-coms in my life also. I love watching sweet, fluffy, romantic movies, old Bollywood films also that are romance films. So I think naturally I kind of gravitated towards a film like that. And also I think because the character is really interesting for me because she's quite different to me in real life. So I think that's kind of what drew me to her as well.
You took a role of a Delhi boy. You have put that accent so well. Like लोग तारीफ भी कर रहे हैं कि जोनल सर ने दिल्ली का accent बहुत अच्छा पकड़ा है. So how do you think Delhi?
My mom's side is Punjabi.
Okay.
Fully Punjabi. That helped a little bit.
So do you took training under your mom for this? Delhi accent पकड़ने में या पंजाबी accent पकड़ने में?
माँ का नहीं है इतना दिल्ली का बट पंजाबी really the like for my grandparents a lot of my mom's side.
And speaking about other things, like I talked about the startups as well as Krusha Kapoor. So how was the bonding of the sets with them? All are renowned actors. So how was the bonding?
It's great fun.
Yeah.
I mean, I really enjoyed myself. Really fantastic cast. Lots of very senior actors who've done like a lot of work. Who's probably the biggest star in our country. He's an A-list TV star. And there are also a lot of young new actors.
Yeah.
Biku's first film, I think.
Yeah, just like so many talented people. It's just, I feel like you learn so much when you're in this space together. I think initially with Ashutosh sir also, I was a bit intimidated because he's such a presence. But he's so fun to work with, and I think he keeps giving as an actor also. So you take a lot from that and you learn so much.
So there's a friend or a person in our life, whenever we are stuck in any situation, he's the first one to give a call. So who's that one friend or a person in your life who you somewhere at first conversation, whether it is for a relationship,
My sister, my first call is to my sister always. I feel like no matter what the situation is, big or small, I'll just call her and she somehow just has a solution for everything. So she's my 911 call.
I think it depends on the situation. I will go to my sister sometimes, but after some time. My sister gives very good advice as well.
more often we have seen, nowadays, whenever, when two young actors come on screen, so, initially we seem to both are almost the same age. So, कहते हैं कि when two young actors come on set, so the first thing is the bond that you make. So, when you arrive on the set for the first time, when you got to know your opposite Junaid, so, what was that one thing in your mind and how you met Junaid on the set? So, how was your bonding on the set? How easy or, how fast did you bond with each other?
Like 5-6 weeks of
Rehearsals, yeah.
Or on set.
Yeah, so we met in office for the first
Yeah.
time.
Both very quiet people, like sitting in the corners in our own video, and others like talking about.
Yeah, I
the
think we took some time to break the ice a little bit.
Yeah. No, but once rehearsal started, it was
Yeah, because we kind of threw ourselves into it, so there was no point of we're taking this slow and getting to know each other. It was just immediately we are starting to read as Bani and Gaurav.
and let's start getting ready.
Yeah.
But also we didn't shoot so much together because most of our scenes are over the phone.
Yeah.
They're different locations. So I think we must have only shot
5 days?
Yeah,
5-6 days.
I mean, not counting the songs.
Yeah.
I think we only shot 6 or 7 days together. Everything else was because all our other scenes are over the phone, which also required
A lot of practice and rehearsal.
practice.
And that timing and technicality was very crucial.
Okay, lastly, I would like to know every movie gives a message. So, what is that one thing that you want the audience to take from it?
I think there's a lot you can learn from Love Yapa, but I think it's mostly, I feel like there's so many quotable lines in the film also, especially from Ashutosh sir. He has many lovely lines in the film, but even you have one they put in the trailer, Rishte mein understanding honi chahiye na. All of these other issues are very external, and if you really want something to work out, it's something you both have to figure out within each other and have that willingness to make it work.
Thank you.
Thank you.